How to copy and paste charts from Google Forms to Word document. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can do exactly that. So let's just jump right into the video. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser, and then from here you just need to head over to the search bar and search for forms.google.com, and it will take you directly to Google Forms. And now once you get to the Google Forms option, you're going to have to open any of your existing forms by clicking on it. And then from here, you should be able to get to your responses. Now on your responses, you should be able to get some charts if someone has filled out your form. So let's just head over to responses. There are no responses here, so let me just add a response by myself. Now here I have added some responses. So as you can see here, there is this chart for the gender. And if I want to copy this chart, I can just click on this copy option. But if I open up the Word document here and create a new document, what happens is if I just go ahead and click on paste here, it will directly paste this document. In some cases, you might not be able to paste it directly to your Word document. Then in that case, what you are going to have to do is simply go to your web browser, go to docs.google.com and open up your Google Docs. And here create a new document and then paste that chart right here. Click on this paste option, link to form, make sure that this is linked to the form, click on paste. Now once your chart has been pasted, all you have to do is click on this file option and then download this as a Word document. So you can download it as Microsoft Word. Click on this download option and the document will be downloaded. And that's how you basically copy and paste the chart from Google Forms to your Google Docs or Microsoft Word. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you guys on the next one.